Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Book Club. I hope that you had a chance to read The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. I did, and it definitely was a page turner. I did really like this book. I wasn't quite sure where it was gonna go, how it was gonna end. I'm not gonna do any spoilers for you in case you didn't read it. But as far as the craft went, I wasn't quite sure what to do for the craft. It was a little bit tough because I know we've already done like um, journals and beaded bracelets and stuff like that. But I thought it'd be really cute to do a little flower pen in case you wanted to write your own note when you're in a pinch there. So for the floral pens, you just whatever you got laying around. If you're a crafty person and have lots of silk flowers lying around the house, you can just take one blossom. And then these are just push pens that I got on Amazon. And what I did was I clipped off the very tip of the push part and then hot glued a flower onto the very tip of it. If you trim back the tip with a little wire cutter there, and trim down the stem of the silk flower, it should fit nicely into that little hole that it creates. And then I got this glitter floral tape in the wedding aisle at Hobby Lobby. I just hot glued it right to the pen so it hides everything, looks nice and fancy. And I'll do it once again. So just trimming that very top. It's not going to ruin the pen. No ink will spill out. And then that little stem fits right into the hole. Give it a good squeeze and burn yourself with a hot glue gun there. Alternatively, if you don't have a push pen and you just got the ones that are always out, you could just hot glue the end of the flower right to the very end of the pen without having to create any type of hole. And once again, this tape that I got was in the wedding aisle at Hobby Lobby. They only had the gold and the silver. That was a while ago, so I'm curious to see if maybe they got different colors in because it is kind of fun. It's a little bit sticky, but to be safe, I went ahead and hot glued it. But you got yourself a little push pen with a cute little flower at the end. I hope you gather with your friends and do this craft and have fun.